This child, who we will not name, was just 4 years old when she was defiled on the 19th day of September 2020. The child and her cousin had been sent to take maize to a milling machine where they met the suspect, Enoch Karwani, who was running the machine.
He told my cousin to check on the goats in the field. When he came back and told him they were not there, the man sent him back. Then he put me on the bench and defiled me.
She describes her experience.
There were very few people. He told me that if I had made noise, they would arrest me. I felt a lot of pain even when I went to bed.
Chosimide's mother says that her daughter did not immediately report what had happened. She only learned about it days later when the girl complained about the pain.
She didn't tell me what happened. After 3 days, she started complaining about pain. And when I checked her, I found pus.
Chosimide's mother and her aunts reported the incident to the village LC1 chairperson, who sent them to the police.
They reported the case late, but it was beyond my level.
Karwani was arrested, charged and granted bail in what the mother says were unclear circumstances.
The locals were also concerned when they saw him in the community. We were told that his family members stood surety for him.
Charles Twine, the spokesperson of the police's Directorate of Criminal Investigations, says they are aware of the case and the evidence implicates Karwani.
State Attorney confirmed to us, as police, that the evidence that was gathered was sufficient enough to warrant prosecution.
Twine admits that there was negligence in the handling of the matter.
Every case which is aggravated in nature is a high-profile case, and it should take an attention of every police officer in the region. We are going to call for the file so that it is reviewed. If the suspect was given a bail, then under what circumstances and what next?
Human rights activists say that the corruption, the absence of independent courts, and little knowledge about the law slow the quest for justice and cause low reporting of such crimes.
The local leaders, the local council ones who have been given a role to receive these cases and make referrals and record don't actually know the Domestic Violence Act.
Police people usually ask for little monies. And then at some point, even cases that are taken to the district levels, say probation and even in court at some point.
If we can have specialized courts handling GBV and mobile court, so that when a girl reports a case today, at least within that 1 year, the case is done and she can move on with her life.
And as the world marks Human Rights Day today, questions linger about how far the country has gone in ensuring that people's rights are respected. Olivia Kumgisha, NTV, Weekend Edition.